Hey, stop. Stop it, is it?
No, it's going.
I close my eyes and it won't matter what.
Don't close your eyes. Hello car friends and welcome to the Tesla Model X. I'm going to let you on a bit of a secret. My mum is going to be reviewing this car tomorrow morning, but right now she doesn't know about it. So what we're going to do is take this, get rid of her car, put this brand new £90,000 100D in its place. I'm going to make sure that she has a Mother's Day to remember. Let's do this. Good morning. It's early. This is earlier than I like to get up. So my mum's gone swimming and she's left her car here. So I'm in the car park of the swimming baths and I'm just gonna wait and see what her reaction is when she comes out. She has no idea. This is brilliant. First thing she's gonna think, oh my word, it's really big. And then she's gonna be like, it's electric. And then she's probably like, how much is it? Then she's gonna worry, and then she'll probably relax and enjoy it a little bit. I've set the temperature to 22 degrees. In the meantime, I'm just gonna sit back and play around with some stuff. Just an ordinary British guy, taking his car for a walk. Just using the app. That'll do. So this morning as well, I've also set the temperature of the car using the app. About 10 minutes before I left the house, I wang that on the app. Done. Now she quite likes Radio 2, which if you are not from the UK, is a radio show watched by people that own their own home and aren't young anymore. There, I said it. Radio 2 is kind of like a rite of passage for being an adult. I think it's when you go, yeah, I've got better things to do than listen to music that I'm pretending that I like. I'm just gonna be comfortable. It's got Spotify built in. I don't think she's a fan of Spotify. I'm gonna get the radio up. BBC Radio 2. Oh, that's the one. Perfect. The other thing that I quite like with the Tesla that I think is a really good feature for my mum. So she's used to a car that's slightly smaller. And when I say slightly smaller, I mean a lot smaller. She drives a Honda Jazz. So I, as standard, generally have this quite high. So you see that? You see that it actually is set to standard ride height, but what I'm going to do is bring it to low or very low so that she can actually feel like she's in a regular car or a car that she's kind of more used to driving, to something that she's more comfortable with, so that when she first gets in it's not like a kind of experience, but more of a, oh yeah, I can do this, this feels about right. This is Radio 2 all over, I can tell you now. Now I've decided that I want to live in here because it's just the nicest place ever. Living in London, you know, where storage is a premium, let's put it that way. There's so much storage in here, it's ridiculous. Let me show you around. This is the glove box. I know you're thinking, where is it, where is it? Oh, there it is, glove box. Glove box. Oh, everyone loves a soft close. Oh. There's something just satisfied about that, isn't there? Here, this is where I keep my phone. Ta-da! Right, I get asked so often by certain subscribers about cup holders in cars. Now, whilst this isn't a car review, I can reveal there's enough to have a house party in here. Look, this one here, that's one. It's got the key in. Two, plus the two that you've already got here, plus where I've kept my actual cup. Shout out to Costa there. Hashad. Although it's not Hashad, they don't pay me at all. In fact, I pay them quite a lot. Obviously another one down there. And then the piece de resistance. Look at the back, they've got cup holders. The back, because there's 6 seats in here. You could literally have a house party in here and drink responsibly and don't drink whilst driving. Kids. Okay, so I've just worked out that you can summon the car whilst you're in the car. So I think the way I want to surprise her is get lined up with the exit of the swimming baths, put it into summer mode. I'm gonna sit in the passenger seat and then just cruise on up to her with the car driving itself. I think what better way to surprise her? I'm in a new place. I think this is a good spot to surprise her from. Oh, so much room in here. Look, I mean, this window comes up to here. Crazy. All set. Waiting for her to come through that door. I feel like I'm on Crime Watch or some sort of criminal investigation show. Not like I'm surprising my mum for Mother's Day. It was really sinister. Come on. There's a guy over there just doing his morning shoulder press. Look at that. Look at that shoulder press. Come on. Maybe she's onto me and she's just done a runner. I don't know how much she likes surprises. Oh, 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 oh. There she is. Let's do this. I'm bringing the car to her. Hello. Hello.
Hello, what are you doing here?
I'm surprising you. I've got, you want to get in? You're getting in the other door.
I can't drive that, it's too big.
It's amazing. I think you'll be fine. Huh?
What is it? It's a tank.
It's similar.
Where are we going?
To work, ain't you?
Yeah.
You gotta work. Get in, I'll open the doors. All by here. To our side.
Can I pop my bags in?
Of course you can, there's a boot. Boot's open. There you go. This is an exciting day. Ready to go? Yeah. You just put that, you don't have to touch it, just push close all on there. And it'll close everything.
Oh my god.
The boot a lot.
Where's the key?
Where's the key? Key's there. Yeah, it's got a boot at the front.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Loads, isn't it?
and the engine.
No. Right, now it's in drive mode. Okay, now when you take your foot off the brake, it's creeping forward, yeah?
Where's the engine start?
The handbrake.
You don't have an handbrake, you just keep
No.
it on the brake.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you press the silver button, it'll put it into park mode.
That's feeling a bit. Okay.
No gears, no.
No clutch.
No.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Is it weird that it's silent?
Yeah. Still keep lifting my left foot up to.
If you're on brake.
I'll get through there.
Yeah, I think so. It'll give you a notification as well if you've crashed.
Scratching.
Yeah. So you see on the screen it kind of showing you how close you are to stuff, so you got quite a bit of it.
So when you got your eyes on the screen, you're not got your eyes on the road, have you?
I mean, there is that, yeah. I've got it programmed for you. If I turn it up on here.
Playing like a prayer.
Yeah, by Madonna, obviously.
Very apt.
Very radio too. So you have to
Don't
indicate.
indicate,
No. So this actually drives itself.
I'm not actually driving.
No, now you're driving, so please, like, make sure to drive. So you see now that it's driving. So take your hand off the wheel.
I just keep handing it just in case.
Yeah. That's it. You need to be aware just in case it tries to do anything sinister. But it's just going to turn around this bend.
It's further left than I do. I keep wanting to move it over.
You don't need to press the accelerator.
No.
It'll keep you at the speed that the road's going.
Oh, no. It's like just driving this stop-start traffic than manual gearbox and everything.
Yeah.
You're on and off your clutch.
Yeah.
Brake on out to be
And it's not costing anything because it's all electric. So there's no fuel, so you're not the longer you spend in traffic, like, it's pretty guilt-free. Did you notice it drove itself up to you when we...
Yeah.
It uses that to pull in and out of a garage. So say if you got like a carport at home, you get out and you hold it down and it would reverse itself back into the carport. Yeah. Or in the morning...
Just straight the car myself. Say to Dad, yeah, what happened?
The app.
Yeah, and then can I swap this for jazz?
Yeah.
Make yourself a deal.
Excellent. That's one sold. Oh, you partexting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
I'll just swap.
Swapping.
Oh, swap. Fine. Okay. Yeah. No, that seems fair. I think it's a good entry for negotiation. Don't know how we're going to work out the other £89,000, but I'm sure we'll work it out.
I think you You've undervalued me, Jazz.
You can just sit in traffic and it'll brake for you. It'll slow down and accelerate for you if you're really lazy. But now it's off.
Oh, hey, stop.
Yeah, it'll stop, it'll stop, it will, it'll stop, it will. It's stopping, it's stopping. Now it's going.
Close my eyes, I don't want to mess with it.
Don't close your eyes. So when the car in front slows down, the car's slowing down as well. And as you're getting into traffic, it's slowing down too. So now you're
rushing up to it. Your foot's still wiggling about. That's not on me, yeah? Accelerator and the brake, it's still moving from one to the other.
probably more. So now you've got no handbrake, no clutch, no accelerator that you need.
Passenger now.
Yeah.
How to go back?
Alright, so you put your foot on the brake and then you see, remember that stick that you pushed to start?
Oh, yeah.
Push that up to the top.
Up to the top.
Yeah, that's in reverse. Now you see this camera here. So that'll give you an feel for life. Yeah. That's it. The car's parked. There you go. Yeah. Same time. You're not going swimming tomorrow, are you? No, good. Okay, there's one other thing I want to show you. You want to come this way? We'll get in the dry. See what people's reactions are. What's your reaction? Verse 2.
I need to make a video of it.
Yeah, go for it. This lady's taking a video.
It's Tesla.
Yeah. Very good.
Great.
Awesome. How was that?
That was brilliant. We'll do it again tomorrow.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this or you think there's someone that would like it, then click like and then share it with them as well. Make sure they can see it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for getting involved.
Thank you. I'll do it again tomorrow.
Go subscribe and I will see you next week.
Believe it's